how can you get your garage from this to this with no electrical work? Stick around, find out. Well, here's the messy garage, land of unfinished projects and clutter. And there's the four-wheeler in pieces. That's going to be another video. Carburetor's out, the airbox is out. But anyway, the only overhead light we've got in here are two incandescent bulbs, and I have replaced those with some 100-watt equivalent LED bulbs, and it did improve things in here a little bit, but it's not quite enough, especially when trying to work on a four-wheeler inside the engine compartment like that, or work with small parts, or doing something with fine detail or whatever. It's just not enough light. I wanted more, and I was looking for a simple solution where I didn't have to wire up any new lights. So that's when I came upon these. Hey guys, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm. This is funny because I wasn't really going to do a video on this. I just ordered some new lights for the garage and I wanted to see how they work. But there are a couple of things about the packaging on this light that just made me laugh, and I wanted to share with you guys, and I figured, what the heck, I'll turn it into a video. But anyway, I do have some real challenges in the garage. It's just not bright enough for doing detailed work and working on some of the equipment and whatnot. So I was looking for a solution, went to Amazon, looked at dozens of light options, came across these. They were actually on like a flash sale when I bought it, so they were a few dollars off. And when the package showed up, I had to laugh, because right here it says UFO deformable lamp, and it wasn't labeled as a UFO deformable lamp on Amazon, so I thought that was comical. And then throughout the package there are just like numerous typos and other issues. For example, apparently this packaging is made for a different model that might include a radar sensor. I think they mean radar sensor, which might actually also be a motion sensor, which they go on to say there. But this is not the motion sensor version. This is just the regular version. It is a 60-watt lamp, and it's supposed to do an output of 7,500 lumens. So it should be pretty bright if it actually lives up to 7,500 lumens. And then elsewhere throughout the packaging, like efficiency spelled wrong, adjustable. See if we can get you on there. Adjustable aluminum heads, spelled wrong. Numerous things spelled wrong. So I thought that was pretty funny. But anyway, we'll go ahead and unbox these, and then we'll put them up, and it should be pretty quick. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open this thing up here. Inside, this is a 2-lamp package, so obviously there's 2 in here. And there you go, you can see LEDs all around. Take this out of the package. That cover came right off. So you can see here it just threads into the regular light socket. These are supposed to be adjustable, so you can angle your light in different directions should you need to do that. And it goes down just a little bit past, kind of see there, it goes a little bit past 90 degrees, so that would end up kind of focusing all of the light down in one place. But I'll want this spread out in my garage, so we'll probably do something like that. And that's pretty much it. Pretty cool. The color there, you can see it's labeled as a 6000K, so that's going to be close to daylight. So this should look completely different because the lights that I have in the garage right now are more of the soft white. I forget what they are, maybe around 5000 or 5700. Anyway, should look completely different than what we have now. Let's go in the garage and check it out. Wow, you guys, what an improvement. And the way that it throws light all around the room is just super, super noticeable. It's hard to tell how much really comes out on camera, but like this corner over here is a dark spot. It's getting light right now. I can see on those tools over there, for example, they're getting light. They didn't get light before. Even though the garage door is open and it's getting some light from outside, I can tell that that corner is getting a tiny bit of light from these bulbs all the way over here. And you can see, based on the shadow there on the ceiling, the way that it's throwing light out in 3 directions. And they're so bright, I can't look at these bulbs. I could kind of look at the bulbs before, but I can't look at them now. And when working on small things or working down inside of a piece of equipment like this, it's so much better. I needed a flashlight to see anything in there before. This is just with the overhead light now, so huge, huge, huge improvement. Wow guys, these LED lights are great. I'm going to drop a link to this product on Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so if you purchase through that link, it does support our channel. I appreciate any support that you guys give us. And obviously, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below what you guys think, or if you know of something that might be better than what I've purchased here, certainly let me know that as well. But this is a pretty affordable solution that in about 90 seconds completely changed the light here in the garage. What a big, big, big improvement. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.